Alright, so we have the infamous Doug here from, was it 13B West?
West 13B.
13B West from YouTube. So if you haven't checked the bro's channel out, I'll link it in the description below. He's just done some really cool videos on rebuilding carburetors and bits and pieces, which I know I really enjoyed, and I think you might as well. He's come to help me compression test my Rx7. Unfortunately, I had a bit of a detonation moment on track at Taupo. And I may have hurt the engine, so we're going to find out today if we have or not.
Sweet.
Cool, man. So
let's get into it.
Yep, compression test it. So good news, the rear housing has really high compression numbers, so we're good there. Sort of around the 117 to 115 mark, which is awesome. Now we're going to do the front and see what luck we have there.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
I don't know what's up with the screen and this thing flickering, but I just did that.
Mate, it's a compression tester.
Yeah.
Alright.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Oh, bro.
It's over, is it?
She's fucking mint, bro.
Oh, it's mint.
Mint.
What the hell?
There's nothing wrong with your motor, bro.
What the hell? Why won't it start?
So there's got to be something else, mate. It's
Oh.
mint 102, 101, 98, and then 121, 121, 40. Real even across the block.
Sweet.
Your motor's fine, brother.
Thank God. So we
like-
just got, there's something else wrong that's not making it crank and fire, eh?
Yeah, it's something else.
Alright.
So yeah, it's yeah, your pump's fucking real good.
Okay, there you go. We've compression tested it, and the comp is mint across both rear and front rotors, which is really good news for me. I was kind of looking forward to taking it apart and making some content, but I'm sure there'll be plenty of opportunity for that.
So you're slightly disappointed is what you're saying.
Yeah. But no, that's really good. I guess now I've got the job of figuring out actually why it won't start, because it went from starting really well to not wanting to start at all. So I guess we'll keep on having a look and try and diagnose it. Anyway, got to say big thanks to Doug for coming out and giving us a hand to compression test it. I didn't have a compression tester, and the bro kindly came over to give us a hand. Like I said, go check his channel out. I really enjoy it, and I'm sure you will as well.
Cheers.
Okay, so it's a little bit later on tonight. I just decided to plug my laptop into the car and download the logs from when we were at the track in Taupo. Had a quick look at them, and it looks like what I thought was a detonation occurrence was actually a fuel pressure cut. So the fuel pressure did drop when I went around one of the sweepers and came onto the straight. But the ECU actually put ignition cut onto the car, which is why I went lurching forward in the seat and it felt like detonation. But no, it's just cut the ignition, which has saved the motor. So I'm glad there was a fuel pressure cut on the ECU. So that's awesome. So no detonation, the motor's good. Still don't know why this thing's not starting. I'm probably just gonna vacuum test it and see if there's any vacuum leaks and go from there, and then yeah, keep on investigating. I'll also check the voltage on the battery, and probably check the voltage on the starter motor, and have a look at the starter motor relays and all those good things as well. Alright, so I've checked the battery, I've checked all the relays up the front, I've checked the starter motor under the car, I've checked all the circuits, everything's got what it needs. It's getting 12.7 volts from the battery. Battery's at 12.7, so it should just crank over and start. Early today I did try and it won't. Oh yeah, that starter motor does not sound good. So my suspicions are the starter motor. There's only really, I mean, that's the only thing I can think of. Everything in the ECU looks fine, no primitives have changed. I think the starter motor just might have given out at our reunion. If so, that's a great result because it's nice and easy. Okay, so I just hooked the compression tester up to the Rx7 and found that this little nipple here had blown off, and there's another little nipple here as well that are blowing off. So I had two quite large vacuum leaks from the track day. So I've just replaced those. I did have a little bit of a vacuum leak out here. I'll leave that till tomorrow. I'll take the intake system off and reseal the throttle body to the intake. Not too much of a major. It was just a tinsy one anyway. So yeah, the two main vacuum leaks are sorted. Temporary, I probably should get one of the bros to come and we'll knock these nipples off and just weld over the top of them like I've done here. Yeah, unfortunately this one is just blocked off with a vacuum port. Alright, so I think tomorrow I'll jack this thing up and yeah, pull that starter motor out. I think that's the plan. Yeah, actually I'm going to do that. So yeah. So if you've watched this far, cheers for that. I'm going to pull the starter motor out tomorrow, have a look at that, and we'll go from there. But as per always, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, do all those good things, and we'll see you here next time for awesome content. And hey, if you want to go and check out some of the other stuff we've filmed, I'd appreciate that as well. I've got some good videos out there that you might like, and hey, it might convince you to subscribe to the channel. Anyway, see you next time. Stay safe. Let's get it.